Hey guys, how's it going? I bought this BRINKS padlock today. I bought it just to do this video, just to make people aware of how vulnerable this lock is. This is the PROMAX security. It's a combination style padlock. The key on the side is not to unlock it, it's just to put in the side there to change the combination. Like I say, I don't know what the combination is for this, I've got no idea. But I'm going to show you how easily they're bypassed. Now, I've got one of my wife's hair clips here. Nothing special, just a cheap old hair clip. You don't have to use a hair clip. What we're after is just, we're going to snip it here, and we're just after the thin material, kind of like a feeler gauge, you know, that real thin material there. Now you just get your thin material, your little bit of metal there, and this is locked, of course, and you've got a little gap between the wheels, and just insert it down the side of the wheel there. It's about right, and just push in the hasp so you take the pressure off the lock. Just push that in and lift that, and that's it, you're in. Simple as that, just through a little sliver of steel there. So if you're a builder, contractor, don't go using these things, not if you value what you're trying to lock up. Catch you later guys.